Are you facing the error code 0 authentication failed in Roblox? Hey there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on fixing Roblox Error Code 0 on your Windows PC. So without any delays, let's get started. Solution 1. First check if the Roblox servers are up and running. To do this, open up status.roblox.com in your favorite browser. Here you'll find the status of the Roblox server for PC, mobile, and console. If any server outages are going on, you just have to wait for the Roblox team to fix it. Solution 2. If the servers are fine and you're still getting the error, try changing your DNS server to an optimized one. To do this, first open Command Prompt. If you can't find it, type CMD in the search bar and Command Prompt will come up. Click to open it. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet, then on Ethernet, and then click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. From the top, select Manual, and turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS, but if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save and check if you can open up Roblox without this error. Solution 3. Lastly, if nothing worked, uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings, click on Apps and then Install Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the three-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now search for Microsoft Store and open it up. Type Roblox in the search bar here and hit Enter. Now click on Roblox and then on Get and Roblox should start installing. Once it's done, just hit the play button and you should be able to fire up Roblox without error code 0. So guys, that's how you get rid of Roblox Error Code 0 authentication failed problem from your computer. If the video helped you out, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.